kung pwede ninyong pag-ipunan. September 18 pa yun eh. No? O sino na may laptop dito? Remains to be seen.
Okay, remains to be seen, of course. We will see, okay? Just to say that the standard now is that people have to pay 56 euros. You can see nothing. There are degrees of blindness, okay? So here. And the other thing is that for the blind, the school for the blind has special devices which interpret. So we create the break for them and we give it to them. While for you, the test will be online, which means that you will go into the examination room, you will sit in front of the computer will display your name, somebody will come and check with your identity that, okay, this person is the same with the one which is displayed on the computer, and then you start answering the questions. One question at a time. You have 36 questions, you have 45 minutes, and yes, don't worry because the questions are not.
Merry Christmas at Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Ito na ang paalam namin sa inyong lahat. Bago kami umalis nila ni Ma'am Jo, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na sa lahat ng mga OFWs dito sa Cyprus, lalong-lalo na dito sa Nicosia at sa Limassol, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Isang mensahe ito para sa inyong lahat, mga nagsitapos ng business counseling. Nais kong magkaroon kayo ng inyong sariling mga negosyo pag-uwi ninyo sa atin for good, at sana may sakatuparan ninyo ang inyong mga business plans. Sa tulong din ng Land Bank at saka ng OWA, sana maging makatotohanan ang inyong mga business plans. Para sa mga ECDL students naman, ito ay para lalong-lalo na sa mga nasa Nicosia, yung mga nasa module 3 na ngayon, palagay ko by end of February, tapos na ninyo ang subset. So, sana lahat kayo kumuha ng exams for the subset certificate. Yung 2, 3, 7, and 4. After that, kayo ang unang-una. If you pass yung subset certificates, I think it will be the single biggest achievement ng OFWs sa buong mundo. Dahil kayo ang kauna-unahang mga Pilipinong migrant workers na magkakaroon ng ECDL START certificate. Mabuhay kayong lahat.